eh. I'm trying to peel it off. Ayan.
What is it? Listen. Give it to me. What is that? Can you give it to me? Tinapon. Lakad-lakad. Si Ate Medo eating. Pinapakita yung watermelon niya.
Watermelon?
Ano pa mo? Yes? We are here at Cafe Stella.
Ito nakalagay yung view kanina.
Yay! We're here!
Look at the view, guys.
There we go. Hi, Ate Medo. It's not cold. Oh, ito yung mga boys. Ayun yung boys. Hi, River. There's the view. There's the priceless view. It's just fall grass. It's fake grass. Stand up ka. Come here.
Daddy.
Ang fresh ng air.
Mommy, I want to go inside. I want to see the glass.
Ay, dun pa sa other, yun. Ito, cafe. May cafe dito. So we're gonna go try yung coffee nila.
Wow, pwedeng
place sa ano ko.
pumasal doon, oh. Doon niya kami
Cristela.
kakasal.
Ay, wow. Nakakarinig. Oh, dyan daw niya gusto. Destination wedding. Dun daw, sa chapel na yon.
Chapel niya ba? Ta?
Something na.
Chapel nito?
I don't know. Siguro marerentahan yan. Wow, so nice.
Kaya ba't ifad?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile! Smile! Do like this, madam? Ang lamig! Sheesh! Kelly?
Meadow.
Smile!
Sasay daw, oh.
Diyos ko.
River! Yung dalawa. Ayun.
Hey, chapel. Here's the view. Daming tao. Cafe Stella.
Ano meron dyan?
Cafe din.
Kita yung wala ito. Okay na yan, ito ka bagyo. Pang 5 years old daw yan.
Uy, solar panels.
Meron din pa yung parking na.
Ito yung parking sa baba. Yeah. Wow, it's so nice here. Meadow, I need to hold your hand. Okay, let's go. It's so nice here. Pati parking nila, maganda. Yeah. Okay. So, meron din siyang hiking path. Ito, hiking path. Yay, thank you. Oh, add na lang, add. So, pwede ka pala magpakasal dito, dear.
Oo nga yun, oh. May wedding doon.
Oh, di ba? Saan entrance?
Short ka. Short ka. Where's your eyes? Para na. Saan tayo bababa?
Where's your shades? Shades mo. My gosh. So look at the, no. This is the entrance. Diyan kami pumasok. It is so beautiful here and so peaceful. And then look at the trees. It's so worth it. Wow, ang ganda ng mga naka-landscape nilang plants dito. And here we are, we're gonna go down. We're gonna check yung mga establishments. Meron daw mga dining area. So many. So, ayan pala siya. So, bago pumunta dito, kailangan mag-training muna kayo, mag-cardio. Mag-training muna ng cardio.
Walking muna kayo.
Walking muna. 1 week, 2 weeks. There's river. There's river. There's also golf carts, pero pina-prioritize nila yung persons with disabilities, senior, and mga kids. Wow, there we go. So here it is. This is the Alapaap viewing deck. Wow, so let's see. It's glass. Oh my goodness. Let's walk. Oh my gosh. You're walking on glass. Walking on glass. Oh, wait. We have to wait for our turn. Here's the view. It's a beautiful view. Ayun sa baba. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's the dining hall. Dito yung dining hall.
Oh, pangalanan ko.
Opo. San Fernando po.
Mexico.
Kaya mo tumapak.
Oops.
Uli.
Oops. Inaan.
Paano ako ng solo?
Tama mo, solo. Dito tayo.
Yan na, mag-picture na kay Mami. Pwede rin naman dyan. Oh no, I need to hold it. I need to be the one to hold it. Kasi baka mahulog. Smile. Pakita mo po yung view. O, kaming apat sa picture.
Okay. Ay, kami.
Apat.
Ay,
Smile, smile. Yan. Good.
Isa gagaloy.
Oh, solo. Solo. Huwag kang tagalon. Hindi naman ikaw yung na. Ano yung orange? Meron dito. Sheesh. Uy, ito pala yung cafe eh. Shuttle station. River! Hi! Hi!
Souvenir shops. Ate Meadow, say hi. Di ba aviary yun?
So that's the food. meadow pala. Here you are. Ayan pala ang kaartehan. So,
Ito po is 250 ma'am, 5 charms na po siya, pwede po i-customize. Ito
Cute.
naman po, 510 charms po.
cute.
Keychain din po meron. Pang bata mo, pwede po ilagay yung...
It's like yours. Oh, look at this. Living stone of identity. Look at the earrings. Ang ganda. You can just admire them. Yun, ang ganda oh.
Ewan magaganon tayo.
We're not allowed na ganyan eh. Maybe later.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see you.
Masarap no? So, kamusta naman yung takip silim mo? Takip silim. Eto, bukang liwayway. Grilled cheese and Milo dinosaur. Thank you so much for the water.
Pag may ganyan tayo, dapat lagi tayong maalis.
Gusto ko yung outfit mo.
Siyempre, di ba, sayang. Ha, pag binili daw niya akong ganito, dapat umalis lagi.
Doble gastos.
O, doble gas.
Kaya magkalawa rin.
25.
Kaya bininistan na. Repan na.
Set na ito. Tapos 3 batteries. Pwede na eh.
Mommy, I'm going to put this in.
Hanggang mabasa eh, okay mo.
Yung vlogger rin.
Oo.
After lumamon, magte-train.
O, at least mababurn, di ba? Kahit paano. Hindi mag-spike ang ano.
Medos.
Hindi sa akin to.
Medo yan.
Clean as you go, ha?
Okay, dapat. Lego. Oo, yung isa, ayun. Oh, non-stop lakad, non-stop lakad.
Kanino to? Sa akin to talaga?
Oo. Tapos makikinom ako, syempre. Diba?
Smile kayo, smile.
So what can you say about the place? That's what you can talk about.
Good boy post. Good boy.
So
Good boy, good boy. Good boy daw, good boy.
Meron ka lang sa baba. I'm so curious.
You're so curious.
Magkano yung mga pin doon natin? Did you ask? Kung 100 lang.
Natin napuntahin.
Kung 100 lang, buy kitang isa.
300 eh.
Pin?
Wait,
No pin. Tapos yung iba, bracelet. Yung parang Pandora bracelet.
Mommy, what can I go to Swiss service?
Si Lolo Dad. Napalaban si Lolo Dad. Ayun o. Yung bata. Meron pa palang dessert. Meron pa pala. O, buti na lang hindi nakalimutan. Ako feeling ko banana chips.
Hindi, wala na. Thanks sa day. Ang tanong, pwede pang kayo.
She'll find out. Ang tanong, saan yung spoon?
Candied siya, candied.
Oh, drink water daw siya. Nagutom. Ay, uhaw.
Porta alam na marami ko.
True.
Ito yung gusto kong tikman.
Vanilla ice cream.
Ano pa nga bang bago?
So,
May cinnamon.
may daw yung share, no? Yung share spoon. Ah, wow. Pwede yan. Uwi ko si Tita Pretty. Paano ka magre-react dito? Ganun ba si Tita?
Uwi ko si Ninang paano sa Philippines.
Mamo.
Pero kaya naman.
Stop.
Yummy.
Sasabihin ko siya. Ano sasabihin ko?
.com.ph
Ayun, hindi kumain yun. Hindi kumain yun.
Busog na ang lahat. It's time to hike. It's time to hike. Come on.
Books. I think I like that better. Oh my god. It's so steep. Wow, it's so nice here. You want to paint? Where do you paint? Where can you paint? Ang kabila?
Oh.
Or maybe when you go up. Ganda nga dito.
Come on. Come on, ate. Sarap magkape dun, no?
Picture first. Picture muna. Yay! Oh my gosh, so nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Wave your hands up. Smile! Hands up.
Okay. Ate, come on.
TikTok, Shein, On Cloud, Lululemon.
Oh, ate mo daw.
Fit check.
Shein.
That's your fit check.
Ano yung...
Hindi, Shein din yan.
Shein also,
Yung t-shirt.
and SM department store your shoes.
T-shirt.
SM Department.
T-shirt is H&M.
H&M and
Cardigan is from Mamila.
cardigan is from Mamila.
Yung mga yun, tignan mo. Bunch, video mo.
Tignan natin yung gift shop.
Sige, lahat yan. Pupuntahan lahat na. Ay, may Jenga.
Yung Jenga nila yung yung malaki.
Jumbo Jenga.
Uy, picture daw, picture.
Pumunta uling Malawi sa Baguio na yan.
I think it's new.
Halos.
Bago siya.
Halos. Kasing kaya niya nitong kayo. Kape yan.
Kiniklaim na nila ang Philippine heritage.
Pwede kang magkaiginin eh, prenup na yan.
Yeah, ang ganda. The question is, na mga hindi naman talaga involved.
Sabi rapi yung takip silim ka nung karimasan tingin. Kasi ditang light sa rin, no?
Naka-on.
May wifi dito.
Ooh. Kalupi Gift Shop. Wow.
Children florist.
I agree.
In nature and
The Lisa is designed to nurture that pure connection. Playground. Ayan siya, ganyan.
Doon punta ka doon, oh.
Wow.
Oh, doon kayo ni River, oh.
It's so nice.
Ika lang kay Lolo Dad mo daw.
Hi, River! Do you wanna go under there, Meadow? Yeah, go! You can go there, under. Oh. Hey. I like this
Sige, you
place.
play with your mommy and your daddy.
Yeah, pwede rin.
Hindi na po nagre-react.
Ako ganun, no? Naantok na. Wala na, lubat na siya. Hindi na niya kaya. I think it's time for your second nap.
Di na namamansin. Tulala.
Let's go na, let's go na. Yan mo Genesis. Makakay ka mo. Sitting pretty ka mo. Sis.
Ide-demanda kita. Kahilom. Wow. So, wow, it's nice. Diwata. It's a diwata. Oh, okay. It's art. Ating siyang maglakad-lakad saglit. Safe siya dito eh.
Ano yun?
Yay! I have no idea. There's the Diwata over there.
I want to go circus.
Tumatalon pa. It's as big as you, ate. Stand next to the queen. Stand ka, stand. Picture kita. Look here.
No, it's my stalling.
Okay.
My stalling.
Smile.
Padakit kang helicopter.
There we go. There's a big chess piece. Ano dito? Set.
Ito pa ano to, diba pa... Pag ano lang?
Ay, Mamo and Lolo Dad.
Dito kita hold na, para mas malakas yung beat natin. Pag tired ka na, ganito gawin mo. Ha! Ganun.
Jump!
Pag tired ka na, ganito. Ha! Go, you. Okay, ganun na ba? Ha! Ganun.
So nice. Naiitan. Naiitan na si Ate Meadow.
Yes, nainitan na ako po.
Okay, go, go, go!
Sininang na-tired na.
Yeah. Me too, I'm tired na. Books.
Magaling ako mag-up. Ikaw. Magaling ganun.
Obstacles.
Alright. Shoot ah! Pareho yan mo eh!
Para hindi lang nagko-cross.
Pareho yan mo eh oh! Hinahaba lang!
Oo, hindi. Para nga hindi lang nagko-cross.
Kaya kung kapalit naman eh. Maganda ko baka.
Okay lang yan, na-burn naman calories. Oh, hi, Chunk!
Teka, wow!
Hi, River!
Oh my goodness!
Hi, Mr. River! Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, are you tired?
Tired, di mo naglakad.
Tired? Nakabuhat nga lang?
Ah, you're looking at the car. Ayan na po ang estado ng mga tao. Sobrang pagod na po kami. Come on.
What are we gonna do?
Pero ang ganda talaga niya, no? May butterfly.
Hi, ate. What you doing mo? Okay.
Diba hindi pa naka-close? So, sino naman?
This is where Meadow is painting. Oh, yeah. Binhi. Yun siya. Binhi. Here's Meadow.
On our beaches,
Although you're just watching it.
in our water, in the air, and now in us. No matter how
Okay na?
it is hot, fulfilling. Because as shiny and clean as it looks, plastic is oil. But that's not a problem if we just recycle, right? Not when we find it's being dumped anyway, or burnt, or dumped in other countries, and then dumped again, or burnt, and as ever more plastic enters the system, only a tiny fraction ever gets recycled. There's no shortage of green marketing, often just to sell more plastic. Although some efforts are being made to clean up the mess, we need to stop the flood at its source.
Flower shop.
We're at the manor.
Hindi ka natin. At ipakya niya lang ito. Kenny, kinita.
This is my kingdom.
I'll leave that.
Hindi ako kaya mo itang pika-pika. Mag-pizza na lang tayo.
Sa clubhouse.
The Manor's Way. Eating time?
Papunta para mag-arts tayong ganito.
Here's the food.
Tatas dito.
Hungry na. First lunch.
Are, maganda eh. Ha? Try yun na.
Ayaw mag-kiss. Yes?
I hear a cricket.
Cricket. Hindi pa.
Oh, kadating sa baba, mag-outfit check ka. Outfit check.
May iwan daw siya kay Mamu.
Si Mami din maiwan.
Hindi, sama siya.
Kaya na po yung greatest team. Hindi, siya na lang yung iwan.
Outfit check. Outfit check.
Huwag ka na sumama.
Outfit check.
Huwag ka na sumama. Hindi ako mabaliw dito. Hindi na namin kaya sila. Hindi ko bumababa ako na.
To.
Uy, up daw siya.
Aligo ko lang na mo yung cellphone.
Oo, bakit yan?
Di dyan. Stinky dyan, stinky.
Dito.
Uy, yan na lang yung gastusin natin.
Ganun na nga. Pwede ba huwag nang magdala ng iba kung ano?
Night, ano ba itong sa loob? Night market.
Pero outfit tomorrow. Huwag ka na sumali! Eh, paano ako ko?
Uy, nag-outfit na tayo. Tara na. O Meadow, stop playing na yan.
Yung outfit ko. Ano ba?
Oh, gagantiya pa mo. Some coffee.
light is so interesting. Hi. Where's this button? Like,